How to use MoneyLion Credit Builder Loan. Today, we are diving into how to effectively use MoneyLion's Credit Builder. It is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to build or review their credit profile. So let's break it down. First things first, download the MoneyLion app and create your account if you have done so earlier. I have already downloaded, so let's open the MoneyLion app. Once you are in, simply tap on this $sign which is in the left over here. Tap on it. That will open up several options for you. Now on the top you can see several options over here. You may also have noticed Credit Builder over here. Simply tap on it. Then you will see Apply section. Simply tap on Apply. Now tap on Build My Credit Today. Then you will be asked to fill out some basic information, and if you approve file, you are on the way. So I'm not going to show the further process as I don't belong to US and I'm not a US resident. So that was the whole process. And after you get approved for the loan, it will get more interesting. Unlike traditional loan where you receive lump sum upfront, MoneyLion holds a portion of your loan in a credit reserve account. You gradually gain access to these funds as you make on-time monthly payments. This setup not only helps you to save but also boosts your credit score with each timely payment reported to the credit bureaus. To maximize your benefits, ensure you have set up the autopay to avoid your missed payment. Even one late payment can hurt your progress. Plus, with the membership, you get access to other MoneyLion perks like financial tracking and personalized tips, which can support your journey too. Remember, building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. But with the consistency and right strategy like using the MoneyLion Credit Builder Loan effectively, you will find your credit score climbing. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.